Welcome back to Top 5 Trey. Today we're checking out the Sony FX2, Sony's newest camera made for both video creators and photographers. It's packed with pro features, a cool flip-up viewfinder, and top-quality video recording. But is it worth the high price? Let's find out. Quick reminder, all the products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description, so scroll down and check it out if you're interested. The FX2 is small, light, and easy to carry. It's shaped like a box, so it fits easily into a camera rig or gimbal. It also has a cool viewfinder that flips up, so you can shoot from low or high angles without struggling. There are built-in screw mounts, so you can attach it to tripods or other gear without needing extra tools. This camera has a 33 megapixel full-frame sensor, which means it captures a lot of detail and color. You can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second using the whole sensor, or 4K 60 with a slight crop. It also does slow motion in full HD at 120 frames per second. Plus, it has a built-in cooling fan, so you can record long videos up to 13 hours without the camera overheating. The FX2 uses Sony's advanced autofocus system. It can track people, animals, and even cars with great accuracy. The camera also has in-body stabilization to help reduce shaky footage, which is perfect for handheld shooting. If you turn on dynamic active mode, it gets even smoother, though it does crop the image a bit. Even though it's made mainly for video, the FX2 can also take high-quality photos. It shoots 33 megapixel stills and even lets you take pictures while recording video. That's a big plus for people who shoot hybrid content like vlogs or event work. If you buy the optional top handle, you get XLR audio inputs for pro-level sound. Without it, you can still use the 3.5mm mic jack. It also has a full-size HDMI port, USB-C for fast data and charging, dual card slots, Wi-Fi, and LAN port for live streaming or connecting to computers. In real shoots like weddings, interviews, or YouTube videos, the FX2 performs really well. The autofocus is fast, the colors look great, especially with Sony's S-Cinetone color, and it doesn't overheat. The only downside, the 4K 60 mode uses a crop, and if you move the camera really fast, you might see a bit of distortion. Pros: shoots high-quality video and photos, compact, lightweight, and easy to rig, long recording time with built-in fan, amazing autofocus and smooth stabilization, lots of ports for pro gear. Cons: 4K 60 uses a cropped image. Rolling shutter can show during fast motion. The EVF viewfinder flips but can't be removed. Doesn't support full sensor slow motion. No open gate RAW. The Sony FX2 is a powerful camera for creators who want pro-level video and photo in one compact body. It's great for YouTubers, filmmakers, wedding shooters, and live streamers. Just keep in mind, it's not cheap and there are a couple of limits when it comes to slow motion and fast movement, but overall, it's one of the best hybrid cameras out right now. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Out of your top 5 decisions this week, this one's gotta be up there. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.